PPP loan. Looks like we got some good news. We're going to be talking about Capital Plus, Chime, Bank of America, all that good stuff, right? My name is Quentin Banks. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That is the easiest way for you guys to be entered in the contest. I'm actually going to be doing these details very soon, so you guys want to be in tune. That way you guys are updated. Like I said, make sure you guys subscribe, like this video. And it does look like people are being funded. Yes, people are being funded. And it says funded through BA, Dash Card, wait finally over. It looks like they have $20,000 on this card. So let's begin to read these comments and see exactly what's going on. How long did it take? All of that good stuff, right? Feel free at any time. Drop those comments, concerns below. Let us know, exactly where you guys stand. Are you guys still waiting? But it does look like funds are on the way. Now, a lot of people was getting funded yesterday, and it looks like a lot more people are getting funded tonight. So like I always say, guys, drop the comments below. Let me know exactly where you guys stand. As you guys can see there, Capital Plus, PPP funding, June 21st, guys. June 21st, and this is actually, I guess it's what the Dash Card looks like. I've never seen this before, so this is new to me as well. And as I always say, guys, feel free to drop those comments below. Let me know where you guys stand. If you guys need help, I got a lot of financial institutions who actually watch my content, whether it's Chime, Bank of America, Capital Plus, WOMPLY, BLUE ACORNs, all those companies, they tend to watch my videos, and they can actually give you guys some type of help. At least some type of help when it comes to this. My name is Quentin Banks. So let's get right to this and read some of these comments, because I know it's a good day for a lot of you people. I know a lot of people get funded and they forget to tell me they get funded, or somebody write down their update and then they forget to come back and tell me they're updated. You know what I mean? Just because I totally understand. Especially people get funded and they're like, hey, I don't need you no more, Quentin. Totally fine. You don't need my updates anymore. I get it. But this person reverted back and they told me, yo, I want to be the ones to let you know, and I want you to let your community know as well that, hey, I'm getting funded. I've got funded. This is the amount of days. It's on a cash card, and I got $20,000. So here you guys have it. This member has $20,000. Of course, we were celebrating it. Somebody said, how do you get exactly 20K? Pretty hard to do, right? Was thinking the same. How'd you get the Dash Card? Now, a lot of people don't know. I'll read this comment and I'll kind of get into it. But they said, when I had to switch banks, that was my only option. So what do I apply for Dash? They said, message me to put you through. Somebody said I did. So basically, to actually get the Dash Card, and like I said, this is updated. Let's say you get an email stating you got to re-verify your banking information, or your banking information can't be verified. Sometimes they will give you an option for the Dash Card. It does look like this is more of a popular option as of right now, considering we're past the deadline, right? We're past the deadline, which was May 30th, and the funds should be getting posted to people's account June 30th. So it looks like they have 30 days until it gets extended. I don't know yet, but it could. Who knows? It could be extended, but until it gets extended, I do not know yet. But yeah. So if you got to do that, try to go into your lender settings to see if you can actually change and to get the Dash Card, or possibly contact whoever your lenders do. A lot of these lenders may have a chat that you guys can actually contact to actually get into that. They said, how long until you receive your Dash Card? I received it 2 weeks after opting for it. They said 2 weeks. The borrower rejected. They began to say, in the last few days before receiving your phone, did you get some emails about your Dash Card and a text update from SBA? They began to say, no, I called Dash to see when they sent my card. So that's good, guys. As I always say, try to contact these companies. Try to contact Dash, try to contact Blue WOMPLY, Capital Plus, whoever your bank is through, or whoever, wherever you got questions through, try to contact them first, guys. Because I know you can panic, but I don't know who to contact. That's why it's good. If whoever you talk to, try to remember their name, write their name down, write their phone number, write the phone number down. That way, number one, you can backtrack. you know, you can always backtrack. So it looks like this person got their dash number, ended up calling a dash card, and got that update. Somebody began to say, in the last few days before receiving your phone, did you get some emails about your dash card and a text update from SBA? They began to say, no, I called Dash to see when they sent my card. Good going. How long have you been in borrower funded? And they said 4-9. That's like 2 months ago for first or second draw. And they said for the first. And they said that's discouraging, which is very true, guys. I know people have been getting funded as far right now, but they've been waiting 2 months, a month and a half, 10 weeks, you know what I mean? So I know guys, it can be discouraging, but if you're in the system, you should be in good hands, guys. Just don't be too discouraged, but all you can do is wait. You know, it's not much we can do, especially when it comes to this. What can you do? The government to actually figure out exactly what's going on. So that's my advice to you guys. If you got the option for a dash card, feel free to use the dash card. Try to get the dash card. Like I said, that way you're not waiting, you're not stressing out. A lot of people have been having panic attacks and all that stuff, you know, so totally understand. As I always say, feel free to drop those comments and concerns below. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. WOMPLY PPP. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. I'm here to bring you guys the latest and the greatest information. Of course, if you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I will be bringing you guys daily content for your benefit, my benefit, everybody's benefit. At any time, if you guys want to, feel free to drop a comment below. Let me know how you guys feel, exactly what's going on. If you guys have been funded, I know a lot of people have been getting funded this weekend. Also, happy Father's Day to the fathers out there. Don't forget, people are getting funded today. So if that's a good thing, you know, if you guys got funded, that's pretty good. But I'm going to continue to stay positive and try to push, you know, some good positivity to you guys, because I know a lot of you guys have been waiting to get funded, whether you guys been waiting weeks, months, years, you know. So hopefully we got some good news for you guys. And if not tonight, tomorrow, everybody will be getting funded. Feel free to drop the comments below. Let me know where you guys stand. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. So let's get right into this. This is strictly from WOMPLY. They began to say how people are saying Harvest is not funding no more when people got their money last week. Speak for yourself. I'm getting funded. Stay positive. A good Sunday and happy Father's Day. Now, if you have Harvest or, like I said, Blue Acorn or WOMPLY, let me know in the comment section. Let me know how long it actually took you guys to get funded, because a lot of people were getting funded within weeks. Some people were getting funded within months. So everybody's different, as I always talk about. Then I always like to tell you guys based on the amount. So let's say if you were funded for 5K, 10K, 20K, you may receive your funds sooner than somebody who is supposed to receive 40K, 30K. So it really all depends, and trust me guys, it does depend. But a lot of people have been going through a lot of glitches as well. So if you had to re-verify time after time, you could be part of this glitch cycle that everybody's going through. You know, it's kind of hard to tell exactly if it's a glitch or not. I totally understand, but the best thing that you guys can do is either you guys can look at it like this. Either if the glitch is going on, you guys could actually continue to try to re-verify, but some people and some reports are stating that if you continue to do that, you'll actually get booted out of the system in queue. Meaning, let's say if you were in line, let's say if you were at a grocery store in line and you were fifth in line, right? If you keep re-verifying, that can actually knock you out and put you at the back of the line. So in this tough situation, and it's a tough call, but you guys have to make that call. You know, I can't make that call, you can't make that call, but I would say if it continues to happen, you know, you kind of just got to do what you got to do, right? Now, we're going to keep hope alive, as we always do. If you are funded or been waiting to get funded, you should be getting funded here soon. So let's just keep hope alive. Somebody began to say, facts, we're getting paid tomorrow, which is Monday. And I wouldn't put it past anybody, because a lot of people were getting funded Sunday. Sunday night, people were getting funded Monday morning. So it could go either way. Somebody said hopefully, but I'm on lender funding right now. Somebody said I'm seeing people get funded today. Not a lot, but some, so the chances are looking good right now. So we're just gonna stay positive. You know, that's all we can do is continue to stay positive and push that envelope of people are going to get funded. Somebody said, I'm seeing people get funded today. Not a lot. Okay. Must not be traditional banks, but they getting funded. That's all that matters. So when they say not traditional banks, they're talking about a bank like Chime, a bank like Dave Bank, XYZ. You know what I mean? Like a traditional bank is a bank that you can actually go into. Let's say like a Huntington. You know, that's like a traditional bank. A Chase. That's a traditional bank, you know, especially places, a key bank that you can go in your car, drive to these physical locations. That's like the traditional bank. Now, somebody began to say, you saw somebody get funded. They said, yeah, today. No, it's someone on this group page. Somebody said, we're from Chicago. I'm from California. Oh, nice. Now, I'm not going to say it depends on location, but a lot of people from California, from Chicago have been getting funded. Somebody began to say, congrats to you guys. I know last week was tough for everyone. I was there too. I signed my PN on 5/31 for first draw. I went into lender funding on 6/11, UBI on 6/12, borrower funding on 6/15, and funds in my Capital One bank account from Harvest Lendistry on 6/16. So happy for you guys. The funds are on the way. Praying they drop early this week for you. So that was a basic timeline that this person actually began to display. When they signed the PN, when they got their first draw, borrower funded, all of that good stuff. So that's a good timeline. Somebody began to say congratulations on getting your funds, and yes, we hope so too. Again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you guys got questions, feel free to drop those questions and concerns below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to be entered in the giveaway. Now that's very, very simple, very, very easy to be entered. So let's get right to this because a lot of people was questioning Capital Plus. What's the payouts? You know, what's the latest updates? What's all that good stuff? So a member of my channel actually began to say, Capital Plus latest payouts. Just finished searching the PPP loan database. You can search by lender and sort by approval date. By looking at this data, I'm seeing that no one who's been approved since April 28th forward has not been funded by Capital Plus. As you talked about, if you guys want to subscribe and like, feel free to do both of that. All you guys got to do is hit the like under the video, and then also subscribe. So you hit the subscribe button as well at the bottom. Somebody began to say, I'm with Capital Plus as well. Thank you for sharing. Thanks. Bid on lender funding for like 3 days now. Thank you for this. I'm Capital Plus. Appreciate the information. Somebody said I am with Capital Plus and been in lender submitting since 5/23 when I signed my docs. When I signed my original docs, I went to Capital Plus, still waiting. If you guys got Capital Plus, as I always say, feel free to drop those comments and concerns below. That way, not only I can help you guys, but Capital Plus, and other bank accounts could help you guys as well, because you guys know they all watch my content. PPP site, it shows undispersed amount in my lender as control. That's my lender as Capital Plus, but WOMPLY, but on WOMPLY it's Harvest. I'm confused. I was confused reading that, but yeah, I know a lot of people have been confused. I wish I had some little bit more information on that, and it's kind of hard for me to actually get any information when you know, things aren't moving. But the best way for me to get the information is from you guys. So if you guys ever feel the need to drop a comment below it or on any of my videos, feel free to do that for everybody. So if you guys have Wells Fargo, drop the comments below. Let me know exactly where you guys stand. I know people with Cash App, which I talked about in my previous videos. People with Cash App have been funded with ease. And there was a lot of people was hitting me up about that as well. So I try my best to respond to everybody. And I do know also, like I said, when it comes to like Chime and Cash App, they reach out to me personally and they tell me to basically give you guys the best information possible. So we're going to get into these comments. First or second draw, somebody said I applied on the same day but haven't received PN yet through WOMPLY. Now I do want to know, I do want to ask you guys, do you guys have WOMPLY, BLUE ACORN? Who are you guys using as your lender? I know a lot of people was talking to me about BLUE ACORNs and talking about how BLUE ACORNs was was a scam. But I do want to let you guys know, it does seem like when they fund in phases, meaning let's say today is Capital Plus, or today is Cash App, or today is Wells Fargo, where that's the hot bank to get a plot to actually get your funds through, you know. And then it's like there's moments, then it's, let's say in a month